Oh, aren't we gorgeous? That's that Indian. That's that Cherokee.
Never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh.
Okay, so I took my baby skin primer by Maybelline and I just put that on her eyebrows to lay them down. Then I used the end of my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, and I think it's deep brown, and I just brushed them out, and then I just went ahead and filled them in. And y'all kind of already know my step. I went in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep, and just went ahead and cleaned up her eyebrows. And I just pulled the concealer down because when I did her eyeshadow, I did not prime her eyes. I just used concealer as an eye primer instead of going in using a different primer for her eyelids. And y'all, I hope y'all are not paying attention to my arm. Earlier this week, I burnt the heck out of my arm with the freaking iron, and it is so ugly. If y'all have any tips on how I can help that heal a little bit faster, let me know in the comments. Okay, you guys, this palette is a palette that I got from Ulta, and this was my first time seeing this palette because I went to another Ulta Beauty. But I don't know how big this brand is or if anybody know about this brand, but it's a cheap palette and it has some cute colors in it, so I had to pick it up. And the outer case was beautiful as well, so I kind of just liked it, the outer case, so I was like, let me grab that. There's my beautiful mother telling all of you beautiful people hello. So right here I'm just dusting off that bottom eyeshadow that fell out, and I'm using, y'all already know, my favorite eyeliner by Kat Von D in the color Trooper. And she's wearing some Kiss eyelashes from Walmart. You guys tell me in the comments below, what do you guys think about my new art on my arm. It's a tattoo that is inspired by my love for makeup. And I'm using my LA Girl orange color corrector to even out her skin tone and get rid of any discoloration or marks. She don't really have marks, but discolorations that she has on her face. So the foundation she is wearing is the Maybelline Super Stay, and she is wearing the colors truffle and mocha mixed together. If you watch my channel, y'all already know this is my holy grail. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer for her highlight, and for her contour I'll be using my Makeup Revolution in the color C18. And for blush, we are wearing Artistic Color Baked Blush by Black Radiance in the color Warm Berry. For a highlight, we are using BH Cosmetics Wow and Radiant Bake Illuminating and Bronzer Palette. And to set everything in, I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter Set It Spray. For her lips, I'm using this pencil, and the lipstick that I'm using on her lips are all from Amazon. I will make sure I will put the link below where to order these from right off of Amazon. Okay, you guys, and after this is pretty much the finished look. Y'all, my mom is hilarious. She was in the mirror the whole time, just trying to make sure everything was perfect for her. I did go back in and put some more mascara on, and I put some on the bottom lash as well. And I did also set her face with Black Opal setting powder in the color Deep. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below. Love you guys.